So hey everyone, my name is Sam Houston. Let's make okay, cool. The video is live. Hey guys, I'm Sam Houston. Thanks for joining us for our first Level Up. I'm going to be kicking things off and over the next 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes, talking for a bit, and then we'll get right into Casey Ellis's talk, our co-founder and CEO here at BugCrowd. But I just wanted to kind of get things started. I hope you guys can hear me and everything like that. I'll just look to my phone to blow up on Twitter, I guess, if something's messed up. Franz says, looks good, Sam. Thank you. So yeah, I'm Sam Houston. I have orange hair today, but there's a picture of me. I'm the senior community manager here at BugCrowd. I've been at BugCrowd for the past 3 years, and I'm here to help make the researcher experience awesome. I work with our community of over 60,000 researchers from all over the world, and my job here is to work with everyone internally at BugCrowd and obviously all the community members externally to just try to make the experience as best as possible for our hackers and security researchers so that they can be productive, have fun, have a great time, find bugs, get paid, and all that good stuff. Behind this camera is all the desks of all of our developers. I work with them and our product management team to make sure that we're developing the right features for our researchers. So recently we did the researcher dashboard, and we have a group of people that we reach out to and get their feedback on that, and then we made that live. So that's the kind of stuff that I do here, along with Chloe, and we work together to just, represent the community to BugCrowd and then represent BugCrowd to the community. You can find me on Twitter at Sam Houston or twitter.com/SamHouston. My DMs are open. It's worked out so far. Don't abuse it, but you can always DM me and say hello and ask me a question or whatever. So this is our first Level Up. Thank you for attending, guys. I'm super excited about this thing. It's an idea that Jason Haddix, who will present in an hour or so, it was his idea. He came to me a few months ago and he was like, dude, I want to do this thing. Can you help us make it happen? And I was like, yeah, let's go. Let's do it. So I'm super excited. That all said, this is a giant experiment. I've never done a webinar with 19 presenters and 2 different streams. So if things get weird or there's weird technical difficulties or someone doesn't start on time or whatever, please be patient. I appreciate it. I literally have no idea what I'm doing. Not really, but we're trying as best as we can to get this rolling. So please be patient with us and have a good time. So some quick housekeeping stuff. I'll run through these things. We have multiple streams. I'll run through our Twitter info, how to submit questions, how to network with people during and after Level Up, and then we'll get the show on the road. So we have 2 streams. You're watching stream 1 right now, and later in a couple hours or so, I'll set up stream 2, the other Zoom webinar. And that will have content from like 11:20 a.m. PST till about 4:30 p.m. PST. Stream 1 is mostly web and general bug bounty hacking tips for the first few hours. And then I think around 3 o'clock or so, it hops into hardware stuff. So we'll have a really great IoT hacking presentation and then a really great car hacking presentation. And we have one more after that, and then we'll end things out with Jason and I at 4:30. Stream 2 is going to be mostly mobile. There are some web and browser hacking presentations in there, but Stream 2 is mostly going to be mobile. These are really awesome presentations. I'm super excited. We were able to get some of the best mobile hackers in the world with Ben, Emily, and Tim on board. So if you want to learn about mobile hacking, definitely watch Stream 2. It's really great content. So please tweet about the conference. The hashtag that we're going to use today is hashtag It Takes a Crowd. That's BugCrowd's new hashtag. You please use that hashtag to tweet about the conference, share your thoughts, your feedback, what you like, what you think is cool, all that good stuff. And you can always tag at BugCrowd in your tweets too, which is always nice for us. I also misspelled feedback there. Anyways, you can use hashtag It Takes a Crowd, and definitely use that to also find other people that are tweeting about the conference. How to ask questions. So time permitting, at the end of everyone's presentation, we'll take questions. I left only about 5 minutes at the end of everyone's presentation to ask questions. So we'll only be able to take a few, but we'll try. You know, some people might end up taking a little bit longer than they thought they were going to take, so we might not be able to take questions, but we'll try as hard as we can to get them in there if we can. You'll be submitting your questions through the Zoom webinar software. I think a lot of you guys are using the chat, as I see behind me on the screen. You're using the chat. You'll use also the Q&A interface to ask questions, and we'll take questions from there. If you're watching on YouTube or the Facebook live stream for stream 2 later, you can also use Twitter. We'll try to take questions from there, again, time permitting. Make sure to use the hashtag It Takes a Crowd, and then also let us know who you're asking questions of, because we do have 2 streams at the same time. So yeah, you'll need to make sure that you identify who you're talking to or asking. So this is a new experiment that I wanted to try. I've seen it done in other communities that I'm a part of, and I thought it was really cool. So yesterday on the BugCrowd Twitter account, I tweeted this tweet right here, which says, "Researchers, what are you most excited to learn about at LevelUp, and what would you like to help others learn about after the conference?" I think it would be really awesome if all, a couple hundred of you that are watching right now went to that tweet. I just pinned it to the top of our Twitter account at twitter.com/bugcrowd. If you could reply to that tweet and say, "Hey, I want to learn more about mobile hacking, and I want to help other people learn about XSS," or whatever it is. I think that would be really great, because you could go through all those replies and you could find other people that can help you or other people that you can help. And I think this would be a really cool way to connect people in the community together. And so I hope you'll indulge me and try out this experiment, if you will. So how to network at LevelUp. I kind of just touched on it, but use the hashtag It Takes a Crowd on Twitter, and that way you can find other people that are watching the conference, and find other bug bounty hackers so you can connect and learn with each other. Networking is a really important part of conferences and just in general in the security industry. So networking, if you don't know, basically just means meeting other people, building relationships with them, and you can exchange ideas with them. You can learn from them. We have hackers all over the world that are tuning in today and presenting. So, and we have people of all different skill levels. We have people that are brand new that don't know how to hack, and they're using this as a way to learn to hack. And we also have super skilled hackers that know a lot of stuff, and they can share their knowledge with people. So let's use the hashtag It Takes a Crowd to connect with one another on Twitter. And I also would like to encourage you to check out this brand new Slack. I'm super excited about it. It's called Bug Bounty World Slack. Go to bugbountyworld.com and you can sign up, and then they'll add you in at some point. It's not immediate, but they'll add you in at some point. And there's a BugCrowd channel in Slack in there, and I've been talking to a lot of people. It's open to everyone, so it's a really great way to just ask questions, chat about BugCrowd or whatever other bug bounty programs or platforms that you're on. And it's been a lot of fun. It's only been open for like a week, and it's been cool to see all the interactions. So I definitely encourage you to check out that Slack and use Twitter. Those are the big 2 ways that you can connect with people in the bug bounty community. We also have the BugCrowd forum at forum.bugcrowd.com, and we'll be using that. I'll touch on that in a couple of different slides. So yeah, there will be recorded videos. Everyone's asked about it. There will definitely be recorded videos. We're recording this right now. and it's also going up to YouTube, and we'll have the other stream go up to Facebook Live. That will also be recorded. After this event, we will I'll cut them up into the different presentations and I'll upload them to YouTube. And then in the YouTube description, I'll include a forum thread for that specific video and presenter so that you can ask questions, and we'll try to get the speakers to come in and they can answer those questions, or we'll get other people to help out. But anyways, there will definitely be recorded videos, and we'll use the forum to facilitate questions. So we need awesome hackers. We always need awesome hackers on BugCrowd. We have a lot of programs launching right now and launching in the future. We also have programs that they add different scope, or we add more people to them because we're trying to scale them up. Atlassian is a really great example. We just launched their public bounty a few days ago, and what we did with them over the last several months to get them ready to go public is we add new people to their bounty to find different bugs, see how the program could handle more people and all that good stuff. So anyways, we need advanced web hackers, mobile hackers, reversers. We are really looking for reversers right now, whether that's like desktop apps or binaries. And we need hardware hackers, so IoT, car hackers, all that good stuff. These are all most of these topics that we're going to be covering later today. We need people that hit these marks. So I'll send out a survey after this conference, and probably on Monday or Tuesday. And that will, one of the things that I'll be asking about is we'll be asking for feedback so that we can know how we should improve this thing, and if you liked it and what we could do better and all that good stuff. But we'll also be asking questions about your skills, and we'll use those skills in the BugCrowd platform to figure out who we should invite to different bounties, because we have all kinds of different customers that have different needs, and we need hackers that fit those needs. And so this survey that we'll send out will help us match you to the bounties that really need your skills. So let's have an awesome day today. We're at about 9:12 right now. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me and the rest of the BugCrowd team today. Everyone in the company is really excited. I know Casey's excited, and he'll get started in a little bit. But yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. I'm gonna turn off the mic and the camera for a little bit, see if we can, if we have any questions, and then we'll get Casey going in just a few minutes. But thanks, everyone. Definitely tweet again. It's hashtag It Takes a Crowd. And yeah, let's have an awesome day today. Thanks, everyone.